Mommy, today I'm gonna make slime.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna add in my glue.
Okay.
And now I'm gonna be shaking up the water with the glue. Now I'm going to be adding in my food coloring, if I can even get it open.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please.
You only do one color?
Yes, I'm doing red.
Okay.
And I'm only going to put in 2 or 3 because I don't want to use too
You
much.
know that 2 or 3, it's not going to turn out red, right?
What?
It's not going to turn out red because the glue is
White.
right. So what color would it turn out to be?
Pink.
Right.
That's a little pink, so I just got to put in a little more drops.
Maybe just one more drop.
One.
Okay.
That's a big one.
Can you
But
put the lid back on first?
oh, okay. I might actually do one last one. One last one.
Okay.
Okay. It turned out a little more pink.
I still see some more white on the side.
How much more? So next I'm going to be adding in some of the shaving cream. That's all. Should I add glitter next?
Sure, why not?
And now I'm going to add in some glitter. I just got to mix it in.
What did you add in there, honey?
A little bit of the baking soda.
Oh, okay.
I just got to add a little. Should I add the whole thing in now?
Not the whole thing, honey. That's too much.
Okay, look at that. Look at that.
I think you need a little more baking soda.
Like all the way?
Maybe 2 pinch.
Like with my
Uh-huh.
hand? 1 pinch. 2 pinch. I think maybe you should add a
Is it
little
all mixed?
more.
You want a little more? Okay.
Yeah. Maybe just 1 pinch and that.
Okay.
Okay, I think right now that will be good for now.
Okay.
Contact solution or
Let me see.
whatever is that. That's good for now though, even though it's not 1 spoon.
Mix it.
Okay, still
Does
not
it get
though.
thicker already?
It's
No?
starting, no, not really, because I didn't add a lot yet. Or enough, I think. Starting to get a little thicker. Okay, maybe a little bit more.
Okay.
should be enough.
I think that's good.
Are you sure it's not too? That's not too much.
No, it's okay. You can't undo what's already been done. I think you can use your hands now.
Okay.
It'll be easier.
Get the spoon. Oh my. Like gooey. Oh my. Really
Okay.
gooey.
You really got it. Mm-hmm.
All big noise. Go.
Get all the stuff that's on the table too, honey. I don't want anything on the table, okay? I know. It's just coffee and tea.
Okay, first we're gonna.
So that's the reason why last night I made coffee. Made coffee.
They turn out pretty good, right?
Yeah, it feels ooey too, like slime.
Is it a little bit too solid?
No, the shaving cream helped.
But it's not very stretchy, right? Because we put in, I think we put a little too much
Yeah,
saline.
it's not
Okay.
pretty straight. That always happens each time. Okay, come on, there we go.
How about clean that container too?
Okay, clean it. Get the little extra first.
There we
That
go.
looks pretty clean.
Yep. Much
Like in-
better.
Like in the beginning, before we made it very messy.
Now, would you call that a success?
Definitely.
Yeah, I think so too. Show me how stretchy it is. Okay.
I think this thing could go a little longer, but because my arms can't go any farther, so
Right.
that's as far as it can go.
Okay. Understandable. What are you trying to do, Boo?
I'm trying to make a big bubble.
Okay. Good luck. Whoa, that's
That's
huge.
a pretty big one.
Yeah.
For such a small slime, that's a pretty big bubble.
Yeah.